Hello everyone. Hope all of you are enjoying at your home and also paying attention on studies. Today we will study about the ribosomes. Many of you studied already in live class. Those who were not joined that time, this video is for them also. They can study it from here. Okay? Dear students, ribosomes are very small spherical granular structures, very small granular structures found in all cells. All cells, that is prokaryotic as well as eukaryotic cells. Eukaryotic cells, except mature red blood cells and mature sperm cells. They are found in all cells. Okay? Now, they are visible only under electron microscope. They do not have membrane around them. Means ribosome are not enclosed in membrane. They are lacking membrane. Okay? If we talk about the discovery, the first name come of Claude, observed observed the ribosomes in cytoplasm and named them microspores. Micro means very small. Spores, rounded structures, spherical structures are spores. To name them. Same thing observed by the Robinson also. Robinson observed same thing in roots, but the name which we are knowing today, that is the given the term ribosomes. Ribo stands for ribonucleic acid and soma means body, small body. So they are also called, it is also called what? Pallidase. particles. They are also called pallidase particles. Size of ribosomes vary. Their size vary from 150 angstrom to 250 angstrom. This is the range of their size. Okay. Ribosomes are very small, spherical, granular structures found in all cells. That is the prokaryotic as well as eukaryotic cells, except mature red blood cells and mature sperm cells. Okay. They do not have membrane around them. They do not have the membrane around them. They are not membrane bounded like the other organelles of the cell. They are also found in cell organelles. You can write here that they are also found in organelles, cell organelles. किसमें? That is in which plastids and mitochondria. They are also found in cell organelles. First of all, the ribosome observed by the Claude, and he named it microspores. Robinson observed the same thing in roots, and Pallidae given the name ribosomes, and on the name of Pallidae they are also called the pallidase particles. Now the next thing is the structure, occurrence and function. Okay. Somewhat occurrence you studied just now. Components. It composed of ribonucleic acid and protein. They have RNA stands for ribonucleic acid and protein. Okay. They are of two types. On the basis of sedimentation coefficient, means the time they take to sediment. This is C, sedimentation coefficient. Okay, the first is called the 70S ribosomes. 70S ribosomes are generally found scattered or diffused in cytoplasm of cells. Okay. This type of ribosome is also found in plastids. Plastids is the stroma, is the liquid, and mitochondria, that is the matrix, mitochondrial matrix. They are made up of two subunits. Ribosomes, 70S ribosome is found in prokaryotic cells and cell organelles. Prokaryotic cells like the bacteria, blue-green algae, so they are found in that type of organisms and also in cell organelles. Okay, they are made up of two subunits. The one is the 50S subunit and second is the 30S subunit. Two subunits. If you talk about their structure, the bigger one, the structure of both type of ribosomes are similar. Okay, this is dome-shaped structure is a 50S unit and this smaller unit is 30S subunit. Okay, and they are found in scattered condition in cytoplasm or in the cell organelles matrix. The second type is the 80S ribosomes. 80S ribosomes. These are found in free in cytoplasm as well as attached or bounded with endoplasmic reticulum and nuclear envelope. As you studied and seen the structure, okay, they found freely in cytoplasm or they remain attached with the outer wall, cytoplasmic surface of endoplasmic reticulum, that is the rough endoplasmic reticulum, or the outer nuclear membrane, that is the nuclear envelope. Okay, so they are attached or free, and this type of ribosome is found only in eukaryotic cells, while in cell organelles 70S type of ribosome is found. Now they are also made up of two subunits, 60S subunit and 40S subunits. The structure is similar. As I said earlier, the larger unit is dome-shaped. This one is the 60S subunit and this is 40S subunit. Okay, and this, if they are attached, this is the attachment area. Okay, by this location they attached to the nuclear envelope or the surface of cytoplasmic surface of rough endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, let's talk about the function. Ribosomes are ribosomes provide the space for protein synthesis. So they are also called protein factory of the cell. Factory of the cells. Okay. Dear friends, this is all about the ribosome at your level. Hope this will help you to understand the topic. Watch the video again and again and stay home, stay safe, pay attention on studies. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day.